ready? 1, 2, 3! Nice! 3! One, 2, 3! 2, 3! Olympics shot put! Yeah, children's shot put. Sounds good. You want to get out? Oh, it's still going! That is awesome! Is that fun? All right.
Here you go.
Are you done with your popsicle? Check it out, we got the shade over the pool. Oh, this is awesome. Eating some popsicles. Nice.
Here you go.
Are you done with it?
Yeah, I'm done here.
All right, should we give that to, we'll give that to the ants, I guess. Where's the ants? The ants want to eat this popsicle. We'll put it right there for now.
I'm on the, oh.
All right, Olivia,
What?
what do we got here? She wants to try these Chester's Flaming Hot Fries. We got some water ready to go. All right, Olivia,
What?
let's see you try one of those fries.
What?
Try a hot fry.
French fries?
Yeah, try one of those. It's a hot Cheeto, basically. They're Chester Cheetos hot fries. Hot fries. All right, let's see her reaction. All right, Brennan, you want to try one too?
You try one. Eat it. Try
Is it too hot? I like them.
It's too hot.
All right, Brennan, you want to try it? Is it too hot, Olivia? You got it?
Give me some water.
Look at that face. She's like, she's not a fan. Brennan, try it.
Doctor, help me open this.
Let me see your face, Brennan.
I'm hot. I'm missing mouth.
Here we go. Gotta get the water. There you go. You got it, Daddy's. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean this out. There you go.
Just let me. I didn't have a drink.
Oh, you didn't? Oh.
Ah.
There you go. Here, Brennan. Oh, here. Kids, they always want to put their whole mouth on
I'm
it.
safe.
All right, you guys want to try another one? You want to? All right, let's see it. Let's see you put a whole one in your mouth and eat it. Come on, you can do it. Put a whole one in your mouth. Olivia, you can do it. I love these things. All right, looks like Mom made the kids some fun little squid ramen and hot dogs. What is that? Blue food coloring with ramen.
Yup.
And mustard for the eyeballs. Guess you could kind of get creative on there with the face, with the mustard. Give them a smile or something. So we're gonna bring these out to the kids because they're outside swimming. So we figured, well, we're gonna make them play Splatoon later, so this kind of works with the theme. Let's bring them their food. Ready? Squids are gonna eat you. Brennan, are you gonna eat the squid? Get them good? Can you get them?
You made this one split.
Get the squid!
4. It's not a squid.
It's a squiddy!
It's a hot
It's a
dog.
squiddy!
Great.
Are you gonna eat the little squid?
Me eating his head.
Oh, you're eating his head. Go straight for the head first, then the rest of them can't get you. Get his head. Bite his head off, Brennan. Watch. Bite that head off. Oh, there you go. You bit his face off.
Brennan, what do you think? Is it yummy?
It's great.
Is it a squid?
Yeah.
Is that good, Brennan?
It's like
Yummy.
I so blue.
Ow. Please, I gotta do a bigger one. Oh. That was a big one, that was a big one. Okay. Eye on the bubble. Come over here. Ready? Oh, you didn't even let me get it pick it up. Oh, what are you doing? Are you posing? Oh, that one was gonna be a big huge bubble. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Good time.